This shouldn't still be here. Grass covers chalk in 20 years. But the White Horse has been here for 3,000 years, because every 20 years, someone climbed that hill and cleared the grass by hand. The White Horse of Uffington. Nobody knows who carved it. A tribe on these hills, 1,000 years before the Romans arrived. We don't know why, but it mattered enough to keep. Romans marched beneath it. Saxons farmed around it. Normans built castles in its shadow. Every one of them climbed that hill. When the Black Death killed half the country, someone still climbed that hill. Nobody told them to. 3,000 years of ordinary people choosing to remember. That's not a monument. That's a promise. And no one's broken it yet. Every story needs someone to climb the hill. Without you, the grass grows back. Every video we make is funded by people who chose to climb. Be part of us at proudofus.co.uk/support. Be proud of us.